จัดสถานที่ไปกับพี่จอยอนุบาลภาคเหนือ
Hello, good morning, students.
Say hi, student, teacher, please, students. No, keep quiet.
Good morning, teacher.
Good.
Yeah. Good morning.
A very good morning. So
Only one person.
how are you guys today? And how was your weekend?
Students. Students.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. All right. Okay, so just wait for a while. Let all of your friends join so we can start. So until that meantime, please prepare your books, your textbooks of mathematics. You have your books already with you, students?
Students have book, right? You have math book already?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so today we are going to start on page number 31. Page 31, mixed operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you already know, okay.
Okay, students, open your camera, please.
All right, students, so let's start. Page number 31, mixed operations. So anyone can tell me what do we mean by mixed operations? Can anyone answer to me? Students, do you guys understand what do we mean by mixed operation? We already learned mixed operation in the vocabulary. You remember? Okay, so mixed operation, actually it means where the operation is actually more than the single calculation. Like they have addition also, either they have subtraction and multiplication or division, like more than a single operation. Okay, so in a number sentence that include mixed operations and brackets. So first of all, what we have to do, we must consider the order of the operation. How we are going to consider the order? First of all, we have to perform the operation we calculate in the inside the brackets, okay, and then we are going to perform the calculation of outside of the brackets, okay. So here we having an example, right? So here we having the operation given to us. The number is 560 plus, and then we have in the bracket, 15 multiplied by 25. So how we are going to solve this operation? Step number 1, first of all, what we have to do, the operation inside the bracket, we have to perform, we have to calculate first. After we get the answer right, then we have to perform the second operation, which is outside of the bracket. So here, for example, we have been given in the bracket 15 multiplied by 25. So 15 multiplied by 25, and then we have to add, we have to perform addition with 560, and then we are going to have the answer. So first of all, how are we going to work? 15 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 375. Now we already get the answer from 15 by 25, so which is 375. Now step number 2, what we have to do, we have to add with the first operation, right? So 560 plus 375, which means 935. Okay, so in this mixed operation, you have to remember one thing. You have to perform the operation, the calculation, which is inside the bracket. So while you do the calculation inside the bracket first, then you are going to do the rest of the calculation. It is in the example. Now here we have another example, which is in the bracket we have 1200 divided by 30, right? And then multiply by 27, right? So while we perform the work, so first of all, what we're gonna do, we are going to calculate inside the bracket, right? So which is 1200 divided by 30. So 1200 divided by 30, that means 40, right? Now we have to do the second operation. The second operation is multiplication, right? Now 40 multiplied by 27, which is equal to 1080. So our answer is 1080, right? So therefore 1200 divided by 30 and then multiply by 27 is equal to 1080. It's quite simple, students. You just remember while you are performing the calculation, right? So don't forget to follow step. So step 1, it had to be the operation have to perform inside the bracket, and then you can do the calculation outside of the bracket, so you will get the answer correct. Okay, now here we have, you guys understand, students? It's very simple. Students, can you answer me please? Do you understand how you have to perform the mixed operation? Or let me ask from you. Okay, do you guys understand? Please answer to me. If you not understand, so I can repeat for you.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Arthur, Fa, Tom, open your camera. ต้นกล้า 2. Don't close your camera. ต้นกล้า ต้นกล้า Are you hear me? ต้นกล้า Open your camera, please. Okay, teacher.
All right. Okay, students, now let's have a little bit more practice. So here we have to find each answer mentally, right? So here in number 1, we have the operation of addition and multiplication. Okay, so let me ask from you, which operation we are going to do first? Jaokun, can you tell me? Question number 1, first of all, which operation we have to do?
60.
No, which operation? Calculation, first of all. We will, first of all, we are going to perform addition or multiplication?
Addition.
Addition, okay. So as I already tell you, first of all, we have to do the operation inside the bracket. Okay. So inside the bracket, we have 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, right? Now 10 we already get, and then multiply by 6, which is equal to 60. Similar like that, question number 2, we have 9 multiplied by 8 and then divided by 4. Okay, so 9 multiplied by 8 become how much? 9 multiplied by 8 become how much, students? Students, can you answer, teacher? 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72, right?
Nana, again please, Nana.
72.
Right, very good. 72. Now 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18, right? Now similar like that, question number 3, we have 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10 become how much?
100.
Very good. 100. Now 100 divided by, we have already now 100, right? And now divided by 5, which is equal to 20. Okay, very good. Now question number 4, we have 12 minus 9 in the bracket, and then out of the bracket we have 8. So 12 minus 9 become how much?
3.
Very good. 3. 3 plus 8 become 11. Very good. Similar, question number 5. We have 100 in the bracket divided by 10. So 100 divided by 10 become how much?
10.
Very good. 10, right? And then the next operation, we have also division. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1.
1.
Okay. Similar, question number 6. We have 15 minus, right? In the bracket we have 63 divided by 7. So 63 divided by 7 become how much?
9.
9. Very good. Now 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Okay. Now question number 7. We have both operation. We have actually both of the numbers, they are given to us. They are in the bracket. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, start with 8 multiplied by 7. So 8 multiplied by 7, then we are going to perform 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, and then we are going to subtract it. So 8 multiplied by 7 become how much?
56.
Very good, 56. And how about 5 multiplied by 4?
20.
20. Very good. So 56 minus 20 is equal to 36. Very good. Okay, now number 8. We have 81 divided by 9 and then again divided by 3. So 81 divided by 3 first of all, which is equal to 29, right? 29. Now 29 divided by 9 is equal to 3, right? So here now question number 9. So question number 9, we have 52 divided by 2 in the bracket, and then addition we have to add with 24. So 52 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 26, right? 52 divided by 2 is equal to 26, right? Now 26 plus 24 is equal to 50, right? Similar, question number 10, we have 11 in the bracket. We have 11 multiplied by 11 and then divided by 11. So 11 multiplied by 11, student, become how much?
121.
Very good, 121. Now 121 divided by 11 again is equal to 11, right? So that's our answer, 11. It's quite simple, students. You have to do the same calculation. All right. So you can find the answer quite easily. Now here, come to number 2. So in number 2, what we have to do, we have to do the tick for the true calculation and cross for the if the statement is not true. So here, first of all, we have given question number 1, right? So in the bracket we have, and first let me tell you, question number 1, what is the sign? This sign, what does it mean? Greater or lesser, right? You remember, students? So these are the signs given to us. So we have 2 operations. So first of all, question number 1, it is true. Why it is true? Here, first of all, 400 plus 900 and then minus 100. Okay, students. So 400 plus 900 become how much? Students, 400 plus 900 become how much?
1,300.
1,200. Very good. Okay. And now on the other side, we have 400 plus 900. Okay. First of all, 1,300 actually. It's just a moment. All right, then we have minus 100, right? Here you see, first of all, 900 plus 400 is equal to how much? 1,300. And then minus 100 is equal to 1,200. Okay. Now look at the other side. On the other side, we have 900 plus 400. 900 plus 400, student, become how much?
1,300.
Very good, 1,300. And then we add another 100, become how much? 1,300 plus 100 become how much?
1,400.
400. Very good. Okay. Now look at the statement. What do you think? Which one is, which side is greater and which is lesser? Compare both of them. So you can see here on the right side, 1,400, it is greater than the left side, 1,200. So that means the statement is correct. Okay. Now, while we do the calculation of question number 2, so here the operation is subtraction and addition. Okay. So we have given 2,500 minus 2,000. 2,500 minus 2,000, student, become how much?
500.
Very good, 500. Now 500 plus 100 become how much? 500 plus 1,000, sorry, become 1,500, right? So on the left side, we have now 1,500. Now do the calculation on the right side. So 3,000 minus 2,000 become how much?
1,000.
1,000. Very good. 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to
2,000.
2,000, right? Okay, very good. Now look at the statement. So which one is greater, on the right side or on the left side? Which one is greater, students? 1,500 is greater or 2,000 is greater?
2,000.
Very good. 2,000 is greater. But the sign they give us here, that one that mentioned on the left side is greater. So that means question number 2, the statement is not correct. Okay. Similar like that, question number 3, we have the operation 50 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 50 multiplied by 2 become 100, right? And then 1,200 we are going to divide with 100, so that means 12, right? Now on the left side we have here 12. That one is 12, right? Now calculate the operation on the right side. So on the right side we have in the brackets 100 multiplied by 2. So 100 multiplied by 2 become how much? Students, 200, right?
200.
Very good. Now 1200 divided by 200 become how much? Is equal to 6. So,
6,000.
okay, now what is the operation telling, the statement telling us? The statement is telling us that on the right side is greater than the left side. So it is true or false? Students, is it true or false? It one is false because on the left side we already do the operation calculation, which is 12. So that means 12 is greater than 6. Okay. Similar like that on question number 4, the statement is 5,000 multiplied by 30. So 5,000 multiplied by 30 is equal to 150,000, right? So 150,000 again divided by 1,000. So that means 150, right? So 150, we get the answer 150 on the left side. Now while we do the calculation on the right side, so on the right side we have 5,000 multiplied by 20 in the bracket and then divided by 1,000. So 5,000 multiplied by 20 is equal to 100,000. And then 100,000 while we divide by 1,000, that means 100, right? So now which one is greater, 150 or 100?
150.
Very good. 150 is greater, right? And here, as we can see the sign given to us, it's also telling us that the statement on the left side is greater. So that means the statement is true. Okay. It's quite easy, students. You just need to do practice. All right. Okay. Now come to page number 32. Okay. So here we're having some more calculation, right? So the first of all example we have in the bracket, we have 720 minus 99, right? And then multiply by 300. So from 720, we subtract 99 first. So that means 621. Now what we're going to do from 720 minus 99, we have the answer already 621. Okay. Now we are going to multiply with 300, right? So 621 multiplied by 300, it is equal to 186,300. So therefore 720 minus 99 and multiply by 300 is equal to 186,300. So this is actually the similar calculation what we just do earlier, but that was single digit and multiple digit. And here we have 3 digits and 4 digit calculation. Okay. Now look at the question number 1. So question number 1, here we have 10,765 minus 7,000 minus 9,700. It's in the bracket, and then we have to multiply by 12. Okay. So first of all, what we do, we are going to subtract from 10,765 minus the 9,007, which is equal to 1,758. Okay. So now we already get the answer for the first operation, which is 1,758. Now, second step, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply by 12. So 1,758 multiplied by 12 is equal to 21,096. So that's our answer. So therefore 10,765 minus 9,007 multiplied by 12 is equal to 21,096. Similar like that, student, question number 2. Question number 2, we have also mixed operation. In the bracket we have division, out of the bracket we have addition. So first of all, what we're gonna do? We are going to perform in the bracket, okay? So which is, all right, so 20,090 while we do divided by 10. So that is equal to 2009, okay? Now we already get 2009. And now what we're gonna do, we are gonna do addition. We are going to add with 3,772. So 3,772 plus 2009. 2009 is equal to 5,781. So therefore, 3,072 plus 20,090 divided by 10 is equal to 5,781. All right. Now, question number 2. Question number 3. Students, do you find any difficulties or any question you can ask from me? Do you guys understand, students, the calculation, how we are going to do? Students, answer teacher, please.
Students, don't keep quiet.
Okay, now we're gonna continue to the question number 3. Okay, so question number 3, we have the operation in the bracket. So in the bracket, we have 604 multiplied by 105, and then addition, we have the number given that is 6,342. So in the mixed operation, we have multiplication and addition, both of that. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna perform multiplication. So 604 multiplied by 1,005, that means 63,420, right? So now we already get the answer for 604 multiplied by 105, which is 63,420. Now we're gonna perform the second operation. Second operation is addition, right? So 63,420 plus 6,342 is equal to 69,762. So therefore, in the bracket, 604 multiplied by 105 plus 6,342 is equal to 69,762. Okay. Now, question number 4. Who is going to tell me the answer? Do your calculation and tell me faster. Question number 3, question number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, students, perform your calculation and tell me. The one who do faster, he will win.
0.
Number 4, 0. Very good. Excellent. How? Because 4,794 divided by 94 is equal to 51, right? Now 51 minus, the second operation is subtraction. 51 minus 51 is equal to 0. So therefore, 4,794 divided by 94 minus 51 is equal to 0. Very good. Okay, now how about question number 5? Who is going to tell me the answer? Question number 5, we have mixed operation. In both bracket, we have bracket number 1, we have subtraction. Bracket number 2, we have division. And then we also have multiplication. Anyone got answer already, students? 48,131 minus 41,318, and then 348 divided by 87, and the third operation is multiplication.
27,252.
Excellent, very good. Okay, here you can see the first operation, 48,131 minus 41,318, which is equal to 6,813. Now, this is the first operation. Second operation is 348. 348 divided by 87, which is equal to 4. Right? Then the third operation. What is the third operation? That one is multiplication, right? So now 6,813 multiplied by 4 is equal to 27,252. Excellent job. Okay. All right, students. So the rest of the questions I already solved for you. You can write down later on in the video, and we are going to move on. Okay, move on to page number 33. Okay, so this is actually here also similar calculation what we already do. Brush up mixed addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, this is the same operation, mixed operation. Okay, so when we would like to find the answer of mixed operation, either from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, we need to calculate inside the bracket, as I already tell you, inside the bracket. So for example, we have 205 out of the bracket, and the operation here is multiplication. Inside the bracket we have subtraction. Okay, so 3,178 minus 1,845. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we are going to do the calculation inside the bracket. So 3,178 minus 1,845, which is equal to 1,333. So now we already have the answer from the operation inside the bracket, which was subtraction. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we are going to perform multiplication. Okay. We are going to multiply with 205. So 1,333 multiplied by 205 is equal to 6,000. First of all, 6,665. Okay, and then the first calculation we get here, and the second calculation from the 100, what we get 266,600. Now, both of that, what we have to do, we have to add. So while we add both of that means 273,265. Okay. So first of all, while we do the while we do the multiplication, we are going to multiply first place 1, which is 5, into all of the numbers, then 0 with all of the numbers, and then the place 100 with all of these number, place 1, place 10, place 100, and place 1000. So, and then we have to do addition. Okay, so we get the answer. The answer is 273,265. So therefore the answer of 205 multiplied by 3,178 minus 1,845 is equal to 273,265. So this was one of the example. Let's have a little bit practice. Okay, so here we have two questions, right? So both of the question, the operation here, they have multiplication inside the bracket, out of the bracket is subtraction. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to perform multiplication. Okay, so multiplication, how do we do? 254 multiplied by 23. Okay, so first 3 multiplied by 4, then 3 multiplied by 5, then 3 multiplied by 2. That means 254 multiplied by 3 is equal to 762. Now we move to the place 10. So place 10 we start. So here we are going to write down 0. And then 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 0 we are going to write at the 100 place. 1 we carry over at the 100 place. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So now both of them we have to find the sum. 762 plus 5080, which is equal to 5842. Now we already solved step 1, operation 1. Now the second operation is subtraction. So from 5842 we are going to minus 2175, which is equal to 3667, and that's our answer. How is it, students? Is it easy or difficult? Students, is it easy or difficult? Quiet. Easy.
Easy.
Very good. Okay, similar like that. Question number 2, we have in the bracket we have 412 multiplied by 15. So 5 we are going to multiply with place 1, place 10, place 100. So we get the answer. That one is 2065. Okay. Now we are going to write down 1 0 at the place 1 and multiply 412 with 1. So that means 412. Now both of the numbers we are going to add. So that means 6180. Now 6180 we already get, right? So what is the next operation? The next operation is addition, right? Addition, and the number given to us, that is 2078. So 6180 plus 6180 we are going to add with 2078. So that means 8258. That is our answer. Okay. All right, students. So this was question number 2. Similar like that, students, I already solved for you question number 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So later on, you can go to the video and you can solve by yourself. Okay. As we are out of the time, so I'll just explain only one and then you are going to solve. So similar we have in the bracket 5888 divided by 16. So 16, first of all, multiply by 3 is equal to 48. Now from 58 minus 48 is equal to 10, which is lesser than the divisor, right? So what we're going to do, bring down 8. So now we have 108. So 16 times 6 is equal to 96. We are going to subtract from 108. So that means 12. So 12 is lesser than the divisor. So we're going to bring down the other 8. Okay. Now 16 multiplied by 8 is equal to 128 with no remainder, 0. So this was the first operation. So here we have now 368 for the first calculation. Now we are going to subtract from 3802. So 3802 minus 368. So our answer is 3434. Similar, question number 2 is already here, and question number 5 and 6. The calculation is also